Josiah, say cheese.
Cheese.
And what does a dog say?
Oh.
Josiah, what does a kitty say? Josiah, what does a snake say? What does a cow say? Josiah, where's your nose? Good job. Where's your ear? Ear? Good job. What's that? What are you pointing at?
Eye.
That's your eye. Good job. Where's your lips? Lips. Oh, we're kind of tired. We're gonna rub our eyes. Lips and your tongue. Good job. Where's your elbow? That's your wrist. Where's your elbow? There it is. Elbow. Where's your belly button?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy has a belly button too. Where's your hat? Is that your hat? Josiah, what does a rooster say?
Coco.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cool. Josiah, what does a clock say? Cool. Say bye-bye.